How to change language on Vivo Y02t mobile phone. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone and settings, scroll down and go to system. Okay, tap system and system. Okay, you can see the language and input. You can tap this and now you can see the available language on your mobile phone. Okay, you can tap this language. So the available language is English United States. You can tap this and now you can change the language by add another language. Okay, you can tap the add another language and select. For my example, I select the English Philippines. And now the English Philippines is now on number 2. So you can adjust on number 1 to set as a language of this mobile phone. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the language on Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, to remove the language, okay, you'll have to do is tap the 3 dot on the upper right side on your screen and select remove or tap remove. And now you can see the box on the left side. So for my example, I remove the English Philippines. And after that, tap the delete icon on the upper right side on your screen. And the pop-up bar show, okay, now tap remove button. And the English Philippines is now removed. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed and removed the language on Vivo Y02t mobile phone.